This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, confirm your device meets compatibility and software requirements. Sign in to your Apple ID on the device you will use. Open Settings and turn on iCloud Drive so Freeform boards sync across devices. Next, check the App Store for Freeform updates and install any available update. Restart the device after updating to ensure system services initialize correctly. Finally, check that you have enough iCloud storage for shared boards and files before starting a session. Open Settings and locate the Freeform app entry to configure permissions. Toggle the Instant Freeform collaboration option so others can join instantly. Grant camera and microphone access to add photos, record audio, and allow live participation. Ensure iCloud Drive permission is enabled for real-time syncing of changes. Turn on background app refresh to keep boards active when the app is not foregrounded. These steps let your device accept incoming Instant Freeform invites seamlessly. To start, open Freeform and create a new board using the plus button. Tap the share icon and choose Create Instant Freeform link to generate a joinable URL. Choose Messages, Mail, or AirDrop to send the link to collaborators quickly. Recipients tap the link and open it in Freeform to join your session instantly. While connected, edits appear in real time, and collaborators can add notes, images, and shapes. End the session by revoking the link in Share Settings if you need to stop access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.